Picture yourself in the 2018 Jeep Wrangler. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 30,000 miles on the odometer. Enjoy all the outdoor life has to offer in the Wrangler, the iconic open-air vehicle that inspires confidence on the road or on the trail. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: four-wheel drive, fog lamps, backup camera, keyless start, leather-wrapped steering wheel, electronic stability control, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection, Bluetooth, aluminum wheels. Capable of going anywhere and always authentically you. Drive the Wrangler.